everyone, and welcome to Wallie's World of Toys. Thank you all so much for being here. If you're new, please remember to hit that red subscribe button down below and to turn on the gray notification bell next to it so you won't miss any videos. Today I am very excited to share with you the new Tokidoki and Gudetama Series 1 blind eggs. These look super cute, so I'm really excited to see what characters we'll get today. So here are some of them that they show on the back here. I am sure there's a checklist inside. Alright. Oh, these are taped too. They don't make these easy to get into, that's for sure. Okay. So first we'll look at the checklist here. Look how adorable that cover art is. So here are the different characters we can get in this set, including a chaser. Let's see which one we got. Ooh, okay. We got this little cactus pet, and he's got the little Gudetama in his chopsticks. That is so adorable. I really love that. And he's got different color spikes on here, which is super neat as well. So this one is this little one down here. It doesn't look like they have names in this series, but super cute. So love that one. Let's move on to the next one. All right. Let's see who we have. Ooh, we got the Mermacorno that has the little Gudetama riding its back. So that is super cute. Love the little rainbow shell in her hair. And these little Gudetamas are so cute. So really like that one. Before we move on to our last two eggs for today's video, I have a few shout outs to give. The first shout out for today's video is going to Brenda M. Thank you so much, Brenda, for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. If everybody could please go and check out her channel and support her, I will leave the link to her channel in the description below. On a side note, I do give shout outs to people that don't make videos just because they deserve support as well. So although she doesn't make videos, you can always go and still support her over at her channel. And the next shout out is going to Peanut Butter 524. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for commenting. If everybody could please go and check out his channel and support him, I will leave the link to his channel in the description below as well. And he does make videos, so make sure to check out his channel. Moving on to our last two eggs for today's video. All right, let's see who this is. Ooh, we got one of the little sushi cars. And Donatella is in there. So this is super cute. They all really are really adorable. So really like this one. My favorite so far, I think, has to be the little cactus pet though. And moving on to our very last egg for today. last one. Yay, we got a new one. Oh my goodness, it's little Biscotti, I think is his name. I do not remember the little dog's name, but he's got a little Gudetama donut right there. Super cute. Love the little sprinkles on his head. These are really so adorable. Okay, you guys, those were all of the Tokidoki Gudetama characters that we got today. I just think that these are so creative, and Tokidoki does such an amazing job. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one of these was your favorite. I'm having a really hard time choosing a favorite, but I have to say that the cactus pet I think is my favorite today because I just love how the Gudetama is holding on for dear life inside those little chopsticks. Oh my goodness. So cute. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!